Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom timers in Canva. Before we begin, there's one important thing you need to know. Canva presentations currently have an 80 slide limit. Because of this limit, the longest custom timer you can create is about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Anything longer than that won't work properly. So let's open Google Sheets, or you can do this in Microsoft Excel and type in your timer. You can do this by typing in 1 minute and 59 seconds on the first and second cell, for example, like this. Let's paste it here. Then hold on this circle right here and drag it down. Drag it down until you reach 0 seconds. Okay, let's undo that. So once you're done with your timer file on Excel or Google Sheets, click on File. Let's download this one in comma separated values or .csv. We will use that CSV file to generate the timer in Canva. So go back to Canva, click on Create a Blank Presentation, choose any template that you want, or we can work with a blank canvas. Add a text box. You can customize the font, the size, and the color if you want. There we go. We will use this text box as the timer. Keep the design clean so the timer is easy to read. Next thing, if you have Canva Pro, click on Apps, then go to Bulk Create. You can enter the data manually or upload the data. Supported file types are Excel, CSV, and TSV. Let's click on Upload Data. Then upload the CSV file that we created. Now, select the text box for your timer. Click on Connect Data. Or you can go to More. And you can access the Connect Data right here as well. Choose the data field that we added. Then click Continue. Let's review all of the data we've added. 1 minute to 0 seconds. Then click on Create the Design. Canva will automatically generate all of the slides for your countdown timer. Click on View Design. There we go. Lastly, to make the timer countdown correctly, click on any slide. Then click on Edit Timing. Set the duration to 1 second. There we go. And click on Apply All Pages. Finally, let's go to Share, download our file, and let's choose an MP4 video. Click on Download. Once the download is finished, let's go ahead and open the file to make sure that the timer we created is smoothly working. There we go. Hit 5, 3, 1, 4. There we go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.